Kaseng Kongres hakas ngi baar kala Sdang ya kajing Ïalap Ilekshon ke Bapura ke bala Sdang na Tura parliamentary seat. Na kaliang ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Working President ka Dibora Marak ke bala Ïalap ya kene ke kam Ïalap na ke benta ukertong kaseng usaleng sangma kala ong ba kaseng kan pelik jingmod halor ki kam kayi beain ha upur usam keri pat kajing bam sap ha kejela bat kala ong ba kala kerpat biang yiki nong song snong ke Tura pan kersyane ke Kongres ban job Napoh ke Tura menta ke Kenti ke badai ke constituency ke Baklain jang keseng NPP.
Work is going on in full swing. We are working very, very hard to ensure that our candidate Sri Shaleng Samma he wins this time.
And then, what are the issues on which you're contesting the polls this time in Garo Hills? What are the issues of Garo Hills?
There are many issues, local issues like corruption and then price issues, many things smuggling to Bangladesh. There are many issues actually, Garwals.
And ma'am, do you see this as a golden opportunity because this time you have a very strong candidate, Salim Sanma? Do you see this as a strong opportunity to tackle NPP in Tura, which is considered as the strong bastion for them?
Yeah, we have a very good chance this time. That is why even candidate and their Congress party along with him, we are working very, very hard.